Hi everyone. So last week I made low-carb peanut butter cookies, and from Tiny Baking this week I'm going to make little peanut butter cookies. So what will I need? Flour, baking soda, tiny number, butter, white sugar, brown sugar, should reposition those, and peanut butter. And egg. It calls for beaten egg, but I'm a little germphobe, so this is pasteurized egg from the carton. Pasteurized egg white from the carton. And a little vanilla. So first I need to mix the flour and the baking soda together, and the baking soda kind of fused to the bowl. Alright, mix that all up into a spoon. Trying to get out lumps as I go too. And set that to the side. And put the butter. That's really softened. So there's the butter and the sugars in the little bowl, and try and beat them together. Found out when I washed this bowl, I ended up scraping the thing really up from all the sugar. Oh well. Now for the peanut butter. It's pretty how easy it is to get all these little ingredients in. Just mixing it together. A nice little mixture. Now for the vanilla and the egg. Surprising how much that loosened it up. Okay, now I have to add in the flour and all the time. I wasn't sure the egg whites worked, and when I actually finished this, put it onto the sheet tray, it seemed a little thin, but they ended up baking up alright, so it turned out it did work. I just don't feel in my mind I can get that little measuring spoon clean if I use regular beaten egg. Okay, now I need to get the little sheet tray, and it said to grease it with butter, but I'm going to use a little piece of parchment paper. And it specifically says to portion it into 6 cookies. And I'm supposed to use my finger to move them down. I realized after doing this it would have been better if I used water. See? Now it says to make lines with either a toothpick or the knife. And this is one of the reasons I didn't think it worked. So onto the regular sheet tray. Screwed this up last time. And into my new toaster oven. Old one stopped working. Heating element stopped working, so I had to get a new one. This one's an air fryer too. Came with a recipe book. I want to try one of the recipes from it. Now for 7 minutes they bake. And yeah, turned out fine. I'm just going to put them on the vinyl cooling rack to cool completely. Now plate, I'm going to use this little offset spatula to separate them because they did bake together. Separate real easily. Just put them on the plate. They do look like just tiny little peanut butter cookies. Too bad they weren't thicker so I could get the lines on them that you associate with peanut butter cookies, but well. Move this, taste these. I'll try them. Oh, they were good. In fact, I'm going to just eat them all right now. They taste just like if you took vanilla ice cream and put peanut butter on it. Got that. They're good. Thanks for watching.